Okay, so while we are waiting for your friends, good morning, students.
Morning,
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm
I am happy.
You are happy. How do you spell happy?
H-A-P-P-Y.
Very good. Happy. Okay, what day is today?
Today is Monday.
Very good. Today is Monday. Okay, what is the color for Monday? Monday is yellow.
Yellow.
Hello.
Very good. It's yellow. How do you spell yellow?
Y.
Yes, Y.
E.
L
L
O.
O
O.
W. Okay, so YELLOW is how we spell yellow. Okay. Okay, can you give me a fruit that is color yellow?
Banana.
Banana. Very good.
Mango.
Mango. Very good. So for today, our subject is English. Okay. Today, we're going to learn English. We will continue our discussion from last week. Okay, so we're going to have a review on what we have learned from last meeting. So our topic last meeting is,
Hello.
okay, we have learned about my family, which we have learned about the members of the family. And we have learned the opposite words. Okay, so let's just have a review of the family. So we have learned about the members of the family. So who are the people in our family? So we have here, first we have grandma or grandmother. Okay. Okay, next we have grandpa or grandfather. Next we have uncle. Next we have aunt. And we have dad or father, the father of the family. And we have mom or mother. And next we have brother. And last member of the family is we have sister. Okay, so these are some of the members of the family. So we have aunt, grandma, brother, grandpa, uncle, mom, sister, and dad. Okay, so next topic, we have learned about the opposite words. So these are the antonyms or the words that have opposite meaning. Okay, so we have example, tall, and the opposite word is short. Okay, so we have tall and short. Next example, we have old and young. And we also have fat and thin. And the last example, we have big and small. So these are the topics that we have learned from last meeting. Okay, so we're going to proceed with the next topic, which is about counting and writing numbers. Okay, so for our topic today is about counting and writing numbers in words. Okay, so let's start with our vocabulary for today. So we have vocabulary number 1. We have the word count. Count. Okay. How do you spell the word count?
C-O-U-N-T.
Very good. C-O-U-N-T. Okay, very good. That's the word count. Next vocabulary, number 2, we have the word write. Write.
Right.
Okay, how do you spell write?
W-R-I-T-E.
Very good. W-R-I-T-E. Very good. Next is we have number 3. We have the word numbers.
Number.
Very good. Numbers. How do you spell numbers?
N-U-M-B-E-R-S.
Very good. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Very good. Okay, next is we have number 4. Word number 4. We have 12. Okay, how do you spell 12?
T-W-E-L-V-E.
Very good. E-W-E-L-V-E. Very good. Okay. Next, we have number 5. The last word for today, we have 20. 20. Okay, very good. 20. How do you spell 20?
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
Very good. T-W-E-N-T-Y is how we spell 20. Okay, so these are our vocabularies for today. So we have word number 1, count. 2, write. 3, numbers. 4, 12, and 5, 20. Okay, so these are our vocabularies that we're going to encounter for our discussions today. Okay, so let's proceed to our discussion about counting and writing numbers in words. So we're going to spell and we're going to count the numbers. Okay, so next we have, okay, so we're going to proceed on our discussion about counting and writing numbers in words. So we're going to count and we're going to spell the numbers. Okay, so let's start with this number. What number is this?
1.
1. Very good. Next.
2.
2.
2. 3.
3. Very good.
4.
4.
5.
5. Very good.
6.
Okay.
7.
7. And
8.
8. Very good. So these are the numbers that we're going to spell first. Okay. So let's start with this number. This is number 1. How do you spell number 1? We're going to write it in words.
N-O.
Very good. We have O-N-E. 1. Okay. How about number 2? How do we spell 2?
T-O-W.
T-O-W or T-W-O?
T-W-O.
Okay, very good. T-W-O is how we spell 2. Okay, next is 3. How do we spell 3?
T-H-R-E.
Very good. T-H-R-E-E. Very good. How about number 4? How do we spell 4?
F-O-U-R.
Very good. F-O-U-R is how we spell 4. Next is number 5. How do we spell 5?
F-I-V-E.
Very good. F-I-V-E. 5. Very good. Next, how do we spell 6?
FIVE.
Very good. SIX.
SIX.
Very good. And next number, we have number 7. How do we spell 7? Okay, very good. SEVEN is how we spell 7. Okay, next is number 8. How do we spell 8?
EIGHT.
Very good. EIGHT. Okay, so let's just review. We have 1, ONE, 2, TWO, 3, THREE, 4, FOUR, 5, FIVE, 6, SIX, and 7, SEVEN, and 8, we have EIGHT. Okay, so next, what number is this?
9.
9. Next.
10.
Very good. Next. 11. Very good. Next.
12.
Okay, 12. Very good. Next. Okay, very good. 13. Next.
14.
14. Very good. Next. 15. Very good. Next. What number?
16.
Very good. 16. Okay, so let's proceed to this number. How do we spell 9? How do we spell 9?
NINE.
Very good. NINE 9. Okay. Next number is, what number is this? This is 10, right? So how do we spell 10?
TEN.
Very good. TEN. Okay. Next is what number? 11. Okay. 11. How do we spell 11?
ELEVEN.
Very good. ELEVEN. Very good. Next is number 12. How do we spell 12? So we spell 12 as TWELVE. Okay, that's 12. Okay, next. How do we spell 13? Okay, very good. THIRTEEN. Okay. So that's how we spell 13.
Sorry.
THIRTEEN. Okay, next number is 14. How do you spell 14?
FOURTEEN.
Very good, yes. FOURTEEN. Very good. Next, how do we spell 15? Okay, we spell 15 as FIFTEEN. Okay, so that's how we spell 15. FIFTEEN. Okay, next is we have number 16. How do we spell 16?
SIXTEEN.
Very good. SIXTEEN is how we spell 16. Very good. Okay, so we have this number. Let's proceed to the next one. We have, what number is this?
17.
17. Very good. Next is
18.
18. Very good. Next is 19. Next is what number is this?
20.
Very good. We have 20. Okay, so we have the first number here is 17. How do we spell 17?
SEVEN
Very good. Okay, SEVEN TEEN. Okay, that's how we spell 17. Next is 18. How do we spell 18?
EIGHTEN.
Very good, Pam. EIGHTEEN. Very good. Next is 19. How do we spell 19?
NINETEEN
Very good. NINETEEN. Very good. That's how we spell 19. And next number is 20. How do we spell 20?
WENTY หรือเปล่า
Very good. TWENTY. Very good. That's how we spell 20. Okay. Who's that? Okay, so let's proceed to the next slide. We have, what number is this? 30. Again, Sardine? 30. Very good. Next. 40. Very good. Next.
15.
Okay.
50.
Again, one more time, please.
50.
Okay, very good. Next is
60.
60. Very good. So how do we spell 30?
THIRTY.
Very good. THIRTY. Next, how do we spell 40? We spell 40 as
FORTY. 50. FIFTY.
very good. That's how we spell 50. How about 60?
FIFTY.
Very good. SIXTY. So that's how we spell 30. THIRTY. 40 FORTY. 50 FIFTY. Okay, next is 60. SIXTY. Okay, next is, what number is this? Anibara Laika, what number is this?
70.
Okay, 70. Next.
80.
80. Very good. Next. Ani, what number is this?
90.
90. Very good. And last number, what number is this?
100.
100. Very good. Okay. So, how do we spell 70? How do we spell 70? We spell it as SEVENTY. Okay, that's 70. Okay. How about 80? How do we spell 80?
EIGTH. Wait.
Okay. EIGHTY. Okay, so that's how we spell 80. Very good. How about 90? How do we spell 90?
NINETY
Okay, very good. NINETY. Okay, and last number, how do you spell 100? How do you spell 100? Spell it as
ONEHUNDRED.
okay, very good. So that's how we spell 100. ONEHUNDRED. That's 100. So we have 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, so let's proceed to the next part of our discussion, which is an activity. Okay, so how many chairs are there? How many chairs are there? Can you count it?
11.
11.
Very good. So we have 11 chairs. How do you spell 11?
ELEVEN.
Very good. Okay, very good. 11 is ELEVEN. Okay, so let's try to let's make sentence using 11. So we have, there are 11 chairs. Okay, there are 11 chairs. Very good. Next. Okay, how many cupboards are there? Can you count it?
20.
Okay, how much is it? How many?
20.
20. Very good. How do you spell 20?
TWENTY.
Okay, very good. TWENTY. Very good. Yes. Okay, so let's make sentence. There are 20 cupboards. Okay, there are 20 cupboards. Okay, so next, how many backpacks are there? How many school bags are there? Can you count it?
17.
17?
17.
Is it? It's 16. There are 16 bags, not 17. Okay, so how do we spell 16?
นับถูกแล้วเลยจาก7ใส่เท่าไหร่ฮะ SIXEN.
Very good. SIXEEN. Okay, so let's make sentence. There are 16 school bags. Okay, so there are 16 school bags. Okay, next. How many erasers are there? How many erasers are there?
18.
18. Very good. How do you spell 18?
TIGHTEEY.
TEEN. Okay, very good. EIGHTEEN. 18. Very good. So let's make sentence. There are 18 erasers. Okay. Next, how many pencils are there? How many pencils are there?
14.
14. Very good. How do you spell 14?
FOURTEEN.
Okay, very good. FOURTEEN. Okay, so let's make sentence. There are 14 pencils. Okay. Next, how many scissors are there? How many scissors are there?
15.
ภาษาอังกฤษ You speak in English.
15.
Again.
15.
Okay, how do you spell 15?
FIFTEEN.
Okay, very good. FIFTEEN. Okay, so let's make sentence. There are 15 scissors. Okay, so this is our warm-up activity for today. So let's proceed to our activity on your workbook. Okay, so please bring out your workbook. So, okay, so open your book on page 28. Okay, so on page 28, we have here in lesson 2, we have the instruction, write the missing numbers and words. So we're going to write the missing numbers and we're going to write the words, or we're going to write it in words. So we have to spell, okay? So let's start with number 1. So number 1 is an example. So we have here 30. Okay, and how do we write 30 in words? We have THIRTY. Okay, number 2 is 40. How do you spell 40?
FOURTY.
FOURTY, or we can say FORT, 40. Okay, next is number 3. Okay, so we have here 50. How do we write 50 in digits?
5
5 and
0
0. Very good. Yes. We write 50 as this one. 5 and 0 in digit. Okay, very good. Next, number 4. We have here what number? Number 4 is number 60. How do you spell 60?
SIXTY.
Very good. Yes. SIXTY. Okay, next, number 5. We have the word 70. How do we write 70 in digit?
7
7 and
0.
very good. 7 and 0. Okay, so that's how we write 70. Next, number 6. The number is 80. How do you spell 80?
EIGHY.
Okay, very good. EIGHTY. Very good. Okay, very good, students. Next is number 7. The number is 90. Very good. How do we spell 90?
NINETY.
Very good. NINETY. Okay. Very good. Next, we have 100. How do we write 100 in digit?
1 0 and 0.
Okay, very good. 1 and 0, 0. Okay, very good, students. Okay, so let's proceed to this exercise number 2. Find and circle the 5 words. So we're going to find the words that are in the
Teacher.
Okay, so what word did you find?
Teacher.
So first we have 50. FIFTY. So you're going to encircle. Okay, next we have, so this is the first word, 50. Next is 80. EIGHTY. 80.
Teacher, me 100.
Yes, very good. We have 100. Very good. What else? What else did you find? Me 100. Next, again.
60.
60. Very good. What else?
90.
90. Very good. So we have completed the 5 words. So we have 50, 80, 60, 100, and 90. Very good, students. Okay, so let's proceed to the next page, page 29. Okay, on page 29 of your workbook, we have exercise number 3. Okay, exercise number 3, we have the instruction. Circle the following numbers. We have 7, 26, 39, 42, 63, 78, and 100. So we're going to encircle first and then, okay, so we're going to find these numbers. So we have 7. Next is 26. You encircle 26. Okay, this one. 26. Next is 39. Encircle 39. Next is 42. Okay, next is 63. Encircle. And 78. And last number is 100. Okay, after encircling all the numbers, we're going to write the missing numbers on the box. Okay, so we have here 21. What is next to 21? We have 22. Okay. And here we have 35. What is next to 35? Next number to 35 is 30.
36.
30.
36.
36. Very good. And next,
36.
yes. Okay. Next is 52. What is
53.
next to 52 again?
53.
53. Very good. Next is 68. What is next to 68?
69. 69. 69.
69. Very good. Next is, what is next to 80?
81.
81. Very good. Next is, what is next to 97?
98.
98. Okay, so next is we're going to write the words, okay, of the missing numbers. So how do we spell 22? TWENTYTWO. Next number is 36. How do we spell 36? THIRTYSIX. 36. Okay, so you're going to write. Yan ha. Okay. Next number is 53. 53. How do we spell 53? FIFTYTHREE. That's 53. Okay. Next is 69. How do we spell 69? SIXTYNINE. Okay, so that's 69. Next, number 5. Next number to 69 is 81. EIGHTYONE. And last number is 98. How do we spell 98? NINETYEIGHT. Okay. Okay, so we will move on to our last activity for today. Okay, so on page 30 on this activity, exercise number 4. Okay, count and write. Okay, so we're going to count how many monkeys are there. So let's read first the question. How many black monkeys are there? How many black monkeys are there? Okay, it is asking for black monkey. How many? Sidam, how many? Black monkeys. Okay, so we have here black monkey. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there are 10 black monkeys. Okay, so the answer in number 1 is there are 10 black monkeys. Okay, question number 2 is how many white monkeys are there? It is asking if how many white monkeys are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there are 10 white monkeys. Okay, and question number 3 is How many monkeys are there all together? So all in all, how many monkeys are there? If we have 10 black monkey and we have 10 white monkeys, if we add them together, 10 plus 10, how many? It is
20
20. Very good. There are 20 monkeys. Okay, so if everyone is finished, this ends our activity for today. So next meeting we will continue, okay? Thank you, students, for joining teacher today. So this ends our English subject. Our topic is about
แม่วันต้องบอกที่เราไป
counting and writing numbers in words. Okay, so thank you, students, and
บอกลาที่เชิญแล้ว
okay, see you next week. Have a nice day, everyone. Stay healthy, stay strong, and bye bye. See you.
บ๊ายบายที่เชิญ